In order to test, we haven't created any file. Actually, we have created this log.ts file. I'm going to change it to my token, and I'll just let me just get rid of all of this. I'm going to import manually. Import load fixture from @Nomic Foundation Hardhat toolbox network helpers. From this network helpers we'll get this load fixture. Afterward, we are going to import expect from chai. Here we don't need to install chai separately. Expect. Now we are going to import Hardhat as ERC from Hardhat. Here I'm going to describe my token contract. Here I'll pass a callback function. Inside this describe, I'll take another describe. Actually, let me just copy this and paste it here. I'll name it deployment, and inside this deployment I'll create all the tests. Let's create a test. IT, the test will be sets name, symbol, and correctly. It will take a callback function. This is going to be a asynchronous function. Here I'm going to create, actually I'm going to deploy here. Await. Here will be a equal sign load fixture. With this we are going to deploy our contract. It will take a callback function. I'm going to make this callback function up here. Before this describe, the name of the function will be function deploy token fixture, and here we'll get a few accounts. Actually we'll get 20 accounts from Hardhat. So we are going to access first 3 accounts just like this. Whatever you call those 3 accounts, you can call them. This is going to be account 1, which is index of 0. Then the account 2 will be Alice. You can call it anything you like, but I'm going to call it Alice. Then the third one will be Bob. It will come from Hardhat. Await ERC.ethers.get signers. With this function get signers will get all 20 accounts, but we don't want all the 20 accounts, we just want 3 of them. After getting 3 of those accounts, then we are going to set our initial supply. Initial supply is going to be ethers.parse units, and it will be 1 million. 1 1 2 3 1 2 3, and it will be unit will be 18 digit, which is WEI. Here we are going to deploy actually const token is going to be await HRE dot ethers dot get contact factory my token, and then we don't need to pass any other parameter. Then token will be in here, await token dot deploy with initial supply. Here with these two line we are just deploying our contact. After deploying the contact, we want to wait for everything finish. Token dot wait for deployment. Okay, once it is deployed successfully, then we are going to return token owner Alice, Bob, and initial supply. And this load token fixture, we are going to pass it here. Yeah, it is working perfectly. Now we are going to write our first test here. Expect await token dot total supply to equal initial. Let me just get initial supply from here, initial supply, and pass it here. Let's pass it here. And one more thing we need to get, that is owner. Let's try testing. npx hardhat test. With this command we can test. Yeah, we are testing and it runs successfully, sets name, symbol and decimal correctly. Test is working perfectly.